Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message in Microsoft Teams. This is an incredibly useful feature that helps keep your conversations organized and ensures your response is clearly linked to the exact message you're addressing, especially in busy group chats where multiple topics might be discussed simultaneously. To get started, look over to the left side of your Microsoft Teams window where you'll see the main navigation panel. Here, you'll want to click on Chat. This will bring up all your recent conversations and direct messages, giving you access to your communication history within Teams. Once you're in the chat section, take a moment to browse through your conversations and find the specific chat thread you want to respond to. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. When you've located it, go ahead and click on that conversation to open it fully. This will display the entire message thread in the main window, allowing you to see all the messages exchanged in that particular chat. Now comes the important part. Scroll through the conversation until you find the specific message you want to reply to directly. This targeted reply feature is what makes this process so valuable, as it creates a clear connection between your response and the original message. Once you've found the message, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for interacting with that message. From the menu that appears, click on Reply. This action tells Teams that you want to create a threaded response specifically linked to this message rather than just adding a new message at the bottom of the chat. You'll notice that the message you're replying to will now be highlighted or referenced, making the connection clear to everyone in the conversation. Now it's time to craft your response. In the text field that appears, input your message. Take your time to write exactly what you need to say, knowing that your reply will be visually connected to the original message, providing perfect context for everyone reading the conversation. Finally, once you're satisfied with your message, click Send. Your reply will now appear in the chat thread, clearly linked to the specific message you responded to, making it easy for everyone to follow the conversation flow. And there you have it, you've successfully replied to a specific message in Microsoft Teams, keeping your workplace communication clear and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.